What if I told you you could buy a home in Costa Rica that included a 3-bedroom single-family home with its own private pool and a 1-bedroom guest casita in one of the most coveted gated communities in all of Costa Rica and be a 7-minute drive to 7 different beaches? Would you believe me? Well, you should, because that's what we're going to see today. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Crane Luxury Real Estate, and today we are so excited to bring this amazing new listing to you. We are in the highly coveted community of Dos Rios in Mar Vista, Flamingo, Guanacaste, Costa Rica. This is such a hot community that the last 2 homes we sold here, the first one sold in a week, the second one had multiple offers, and we just put under contract. Now we have this one here, but this one's even better because it's a custom build. Welcome to Casa Tranquilidad. Join me. Casa Tranquilidad means Casa Tranquility, and I think when you come in, you immediately see why it's so named. So everything you see here, guys, is brand new. The furniture, the rugs, the decor, everything comes included in the sale, brand new, built recently just for the new owner. It's just such a lovely space. Look at this, look at these vaulted ceilings. A couple of details you're gonna notice. This is all Venetian stucco, beautiful, calm tones. Even the ceiling is Venetian stucco, right? The other 2 homes I was telling you about that sold quickly, they're beautiful, great homes. They're also spec homes, which you can get many of here in Mar Vista. But this one's not. This is a custom-made home. You will not see another design like this, and it's just so beautiful. Look at this wall of window light. I just think that's so beautiful. It's just so nicely done. Lots of natural light here. Great big window here. You're gonna see, we came in through the formal entry, but of course you have this entry here because this is kind of how, this is a very livable home, right? So you have a covered carport, really beautiful, Caña Brava. Double carport that you just come in, bring your groceries in. We're in the Dos Rios community of Mar Vista, one of our favorite developments in the neighborhood. So many amenities, tennis courts, pickleball, gym, amazing beach club, or I'm sorry, ocean view club with a restaurant for the members here, hiking trails. Excellent community. All our clients want to be here. So to have this house in that community is really, really great. Really nice space. All, again, brand new furniture, dining for 8. Just love the beautiful trims and wood here. Really great job. Look at this kitchen. Gosh, I love a new kitchen. I think these are so great. Of course, all stainless steel appliances. Everything, again, is brand new. Lovely pebbled backsplash here, and I love the 2-tone. The wood and the grays, they look so classy and so nice together. This is a very, I feel like, sophisticated home and a very tranquil home. I just want to give you a sneak peek from here. We're going to explore this more later, but look right from your main living area of your home. Look at how big this covered space is. It's just as big as the interior of the home. And guys, we live in Costa Rica, so this is where you're gonna do your living. So, I mean, you are just maximizing the footprint of your home here, right? Beautiful pool, tile is amazing, custom tile, slate tile. This is also on a bigger lot. Very nice lot size, which is very rare in this community. So just for an abundant amount of reasons, this is such just a custom built home, and there's nothing else really like it. And you're in the Dos Rios community of Mar Vista. So you're kind of a gated community inside a gated community. All right, let's explore a little more. This I love. So this is a laundry room slash beautiful pantry, storage, broom closet, whatever you want here, but it's right next to the kitchen, so I think it serves as an excellent pantry. I love a good pantry, mainly because I don't have one, so I'm always envious of the pantries here in some of these homes. So there are 3 bedrooms in the main portion, and then I'm going to show you a 1-bedroom casita outside. So 4 bedrooms first, or 4 bedrooms in this house. First, we're gonna see this one, currently being used as like a movie room, office, but of course there is room here to put a bed. You have beautiful sliding glass doors out to a little patio there. You can make this space what you want. You can make some great planters out there, put bistro table and chairs, really jazz it up how you want. But for these owners, they're quite fine with just having a little extra bonus room here. And then here is the second bedroom here. Again, great details, the Venetian stucco. There are actually 2 here. There are 2 colors. You have the dark gray and then the lighter gray. Really great calming hues here. Beautiful. Another thing I love the tile on this floor. I like the large format, and the thresholds really give it a great tropical vibe. Speaking of tropical vibe, check out this amazing bathroom. I love the tile color. Their choice of tile was simply exquisite. I really, really love it. Just really nice, modern style. Great. And so these 2 bedrooms would share that bathroom, right? And you have to see this principal bedroom. Come on in. What a treat this is. Isn't this a great space? So again, 2-tone Venetian plaster here, Venetian stucco, also on the ceilings. Very high class, high touch. Of course, the sliding glass doors are amazing. And then you also have, of course, you have blinds here if you want, but I just love all this natural light, and it just brings the sunshine and the plant life inside, right? Of course, you have a walk-in closet and principal bathroom suite attached to this bedroom. Same great colors. Dual vanities, everything is brand new with attention to detail. And the other 2 homes that I mentioned that sold quite quickly because everybody wants to be in this community, they had age on them as well. So I think this is really exciting because I think this is a special home, and it's just gonna go, I think it's gonna go really, really quickly. A couple of things to point out. First of all, well, let's look at this pool first. This is a bi-level pool, so tons of space to hang out here and just lounge with young ones or your friends. And then, of course, if you want a deeper swim, you have that area. This is a beautiful pool color. I love the tile choice. So this is your outdoor kitchen area. Right now, they're using it as they love it, which is great. So there's just some barbecue, their picnic table out here. I want you to know that there is voltage and water here. You can make this as elaborate, like a really cool outdoor kitchen, really spice it up if you wanted, which I recommend because this is where you're going to be spending all your time. And another reason I like it is because if you do it right, you know, this Casita can share this outdoor kitchen here and really have everyone living in their own space, but very, very comfortable. So this is like, so what we just saw alone is amazing, and a lot of my clients would love what we just saw if that was the only part of the house, right? They might still be making an offer anyway, but you have this additional bonus. So look at all this additional land you have here. You also have dual entries. Okay, I love that for a few reasons. If you wanted to make this casita a little more private, maybe you wanted to rent it out. I don't know, short-term, long-term. Maybe you just wanted people to visit to have their own private space. You can plant so much beautiful plants, wildlife here to give you ample privacy, and then this becomes their own drive. So they have their own space, their own parking. They could have their own kitchen, outdoor kitchen here. So really, or you can have it all together. You can just make this inclusive. It depends on what you want to do with it as the new owner, but I just think this is lovely. Look how nice and large this space is, too, comfortably fitting 2 large beds in here. Again, beautiful tones of Venetian stucco in here, and just lovely. And of course it has its own ensuite bathroom as well. Isn't this lovely? We were so excited. We are just on a roll here in Dos Rios Mar Vista, to be honest with you. So we get so excited because I know when I get called on listing appointments like this, I'm like, yes, I know we have buyers for this. I know this appeals to so many of you. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel so that you can see the latest and greatest coming into the market. Give us a call if you want to see this home. I think it's really special and it's going to go quickly. Ciao for now and pura vida.